Howdy YouTube, it's been a while. Welcome back for Pumpkin 2021. I've moved across the country, so I couldn't go to my usual supplier, Farmer Jean's Market. This year we got our pumpkin from Tanaka Farms. We'll see how this one works out. And this year's music comes from Intercosmos, a band or group that I knew back in 2006, and we'll see how you all like it. Let's get started. And that's a wrap. A non-scary pumpkin again this year. A big ol' sneeze. The new neighbors were pretty impressed. I hope you were too. It's been fun carving in the new location. And thanks for watching. See you again next year.